to our project. Our group sort that we'll be analyzing will be the frisbee, covering are the wind-up, the throw, or the point where the frisbee that releases from the hand, the frisbee flying through the air, and the catch. Firstly, the wind-up. It's the most important part of throwing your frisbee because without a good one, your frisbee will not travel far or accurately. This is because the wind-up is the most part of the throw. We gain the most potential energy, and with more potential energy, the more kinetic energy you have to throw the frisbee with. This also connects with Newton's second law because the equation force equals mass times acceleration, which means that acceleration depends on the net force on the frisbee and its mass. The throw. The throw is the point where the hand lets go of the frisbee in a quick turning action in order for it to fly and glide through the air. This is the point where the potential energy was building up to. So at this point, the kinetic energy is at its highest and the potential energy is at its lowest. With the combined potential energy, the frisbee flies through the air because it's unique with thin saucer shape. It cuts through the air, allowing it to travel far in a flying motion. I'll go more into detail on how the frisbee flies through the air. The frisbee flying through the air connects to the first law of motion because it states, an object will remain at rest of motion unless acted on with unbalanced forces. A good representation of this is when the frisbee is on the hand and not moving. But when it's released from the hand with all the kinetic energy, the forces are unbalanced, with the force from the hand pushing the frisbee in the air and gravity trying to slow it and push it down. Lastly, we'll take a look at the catch, or however the frisbee stops. This action connects to the third law of motion. For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. Because when the frisbee is caught, the frisbee stops and exerts an amount of force equal to its stopping. This motion should usually be absorbed by your hands when catching, but sometimes it can be absorbed. This is for a sports project. Thank you for listening. Gilberto, yo, did the editing. I did the voiceovers. That's me, Logan Reyes, and Miguel did the script. Here's some health facts about playing Ultimate Frisbee. It burns calories and increases metabolism, improved endurance, better agility as a result of quick turns, throws, and pivots and jumps. It boosts your mood. And a special thanks to Zymer who helped us out with the cam work. Thanks, nerd.